Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and the Colorado Cargo Trailer. This is one of our 6x12 Colorado off-road trailers set up to be true off-road units for you guys. It's an insulated power windows AC unit, so great multi-use out of this as well. You guys can view any of our inventory online always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We specialize in these multi-use units and again offer true off-road trailers. These are tall trailers. This unit's going to be about just over 10 feet tall overall. Give you guys kind of an idea of what you're dealing with here. You do have 19 inches worth of ground clearance, no giant axle tube that runs down underneath like a lot of other units out there that claim they're off-road trailers. This one, again, gives you true 19 inches worth of ground clearance. It's in a thicker aluminum skin. This is our silver color. It's metallic platinum. Does come again with that thicker aluminum. You also have the blackout package as well that comes with this unit. You do have a front generator box and platform on the front. Does not come with a generator, but you've got a great place for that generator to ride and to store it. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler. This is great if you guys want to pull this out for anti-theft. It's also great if you want to add an articulating hitch to these trailers. Twist lock plug as well, as this does have power on it. That's that little black box that you guys see right there. And these are really cool looking trailers. Try and get you guys some good exterior shots here. This one is stock number 15696. Now we do have a step off the side door, again, because they sit up nice and tall. And you have the RV lock and cam bar on that side door as well. Party light off the sides. You've got a nice big LED light here for some exterior light at night. Aluminum roof rack with ladder. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. So great place for those big bulky items that you want to get out of the trailer. 32-inch Mudterrain tire. You also have a 3,500 pound torsion axle with a brake. Stabilizer jack underneath the back. So you guys have that extra stability when you want to drop from your vehicle and camp. You also have a rear ramp door and the rear deck option. So you guys can use this as a ramp, of course, to load and unload your toys or fold those jacks down, and they make the deck parallel. So you've got basically and essentially a exterior deck and some more living space on the outside. Party light, or excuse me, load lights off the back as well, so you do have some good light to see what you're doing at night when you need to load and unload. And again, this one is our 6x12, so you've got 12 feet in length, 6 feet wide on the box, and a 6'6" interior height, so it's gonna be tall enough for most people to stand up on the interior. Insulated walls and ceiling. I apologize, it's a little bumpy right now, sorry. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then we finish it out with a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Very easy to take care of, easy to wipe down, and then you guys can see it makes it nice and bright on the interior. Couple of big windows. These are 18x44 slider windows with screens. It's a tinted lockable window, so you guys got good versatility there. And then you also have a roof vent here on top, has a bubble cover over it. It's a Maxxair roof vent. Now we do have a couple of different lighting options. We do have puck lights. So you've got 4 of these nice puck lights here. And these puck lights, as well as your load lights and the party light off the side, are all going to be ran right here off of this battery. So you've got a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's going to allow you, again, to run all your 12-volt lighting on the trailer. And then you have your twist lock plug out front with your 30-amp box right here. That will bring 110 power in and power up your 4 interior outlets, plus that 1 exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to power up these nice big 4-foot LED lights. These are LED. We'll throw off a ton of light in here if you guys need it. And it's going to also run your AC unit. So you do have AC as well for climate control. Performance Nudo floor with Dry Max, 4 D-rings in the floor, so you got some tie down points. This is a great durable floor. One of the best in the industry as far as durability goes. And then you've got your light switch up here. I believe this unit weighs 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you guys about a 1,500 pound payload capacity. It does come with a 3-year factory warranty. You guys can view all the specs on this unit as well as more pictures right online. Go to getmytrailer.com. You can find this on here. We ship. You guys can apply and ask for a shipping quote. We can get the trailer delivered right to your door. We've got some great shipping rates. And shoot us an email with questions, sales@getmytrailer.com, or give us a call, 303-688-8485.